Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing part 3 of my cover-up thinning hair series, and I'm going to be trying out Color Wow's Root Cover-Up.
I mean, where the should I really even start?
If you don't know who I am, my name is Giselle. I also go by Stink Face Glam, and on this channel I cover lifestyle videos. On my channel I've been doing a mini series where I attempt to cover up my thinning hair using various products. So far I've tried 2 Bumble and Bubble products, a pencil, and also a spray. I'll leave those linked up in the cards as well as down below so you can check out those videos first. In this video I'm going to be trying out Color Wow's Root Cover Up in the color black. I was first introduced to this product by influencers on Instagram, specifically Amrezy. I know that she uses this whenever she pulls her hair back so that she can fill in any of the sparse areas along her hairline so her hairline looks snatched but full as well. I decided to try this product out, and I'm going to let you know the 411 if this product is sweat proof, transfer proof, and if it's something that you should spend your hard-earned money on. So before the gym, I decided to apply this product to clean, natural hair. So as you can see in this clip right here, this is what my hair looks like before any product is in, and I followed the instructions on the back of the box as far as how to apply this product. This product is easy enough to apply, thankfully, but I do think that I put a little bit too much powder, or that the brush itself compacts a little bit too much of the product at once. So when I applied it, it came off as a huge chunk of powder cover up on my scalp, as you can see in the demo here. It also wasn't the easiest to brush out and kind of get it to soften up, so that's another thing I noticed that I didn't really like. I wonder if I have to dab the brush into the product lightly and then apply, and also just use it in a sweeping motion instead of patting it in. So I applied this product in 4 main sections of my head. I did it in the middle part, as where I usually part my hair. I did a left side part and then a right side part, and I also applied this product to my hairline with my hair pulled back. These are all the various ways that I personally wear my hair, so I really wanted to see the coverage in those specific areas. So this is what my hairline looks like after application. After 5 minutes, I touched my scalp to see if it was transfer proof, and I actually had some of the powder on my fingertips, so I figured it needed a little bit more time to dry down. One thing I noticed as well, when I was brushing out my hair to pull it back into a ponytail, I noticed the product had transferred onto my forehead. So I don't know if it was because it wasn't dry enough yet, but it was transferring onto my forehead, and I did need to use my cellular water to wipe off the excess off of my forehead. So then I went to the gym about 20 to 30 minutes later, and I did an intense HIIT and upper body workouts courtesy of Whitney Simmons' Alive app, and I was super afraid of the product dripping down my face, as it was easily transferred by just brushing it through. I will say some of my forehead area did have a little bit, just a smidgen of black smudge. I did touch my scalp while it was wet with sweat, and it did transfer on my fingers as well. Throughout the day I did touch my scalp just to see if it would transfer, and it always came off on my fingertips. Something else I noticed when I was in the shower washing my face is that it looked really heavy along my hairline. Now again, that could have just been me not knowing how to apply this product the correct way and not blending it correctly, but it looked like a really heavy hairline. I didn't notice any transfer on my pillowcase, which is a shock. I have a nude pillowcase, so I would have seen any blackness, but to be honest, I didn't look that hard. But if I didn't automatically notice it, then I'm just going to consider it that it is not transferring onto my pillow. However, it does not dry down. Even now, I'm going to touch my hairline. This is the day after I applied it, literally 24 hours later, and it is still transferring onto my finger, so it never dries down. This is what my hairline looks like after 24 hours of wear. This is after washing my face twice, applying makeup, sweating, going to the gym. We're gonna go and break down the pros and the cons of this root cover-up. One of the pros I noticed off the back when ordering this Color Wow product was that they had a lot of different shades. They have colors from platinum all the way to black and in between. I think it's really good to offer options. I do think that that's something that's lacking as far as thin cover-ups is the color diversity. Another pro is how easy it was to apply. The instructions were very clear, and it wasn't difficult at all to apply it to the hairline or the scalp. I also really feel like the color did match my actual color, so that's a plus as well. Another pro about this product is that I think it will last you a pretty long time, since you don't really need too much powder along your hairline or your scalp, depending on where you are parting or how you are styling your hair. So I think a little will go a long way. And it does come with a mirror, so you can actually apply this on the go. And the brush has two sides. It has a softer side on one end and a longer, and this one has a short, more denser side. I did try to use this side to blend in the edges, and it worked a little bit, but my boar's head brush worked way faster. Another pro that I forgot to mention is that it does not leave your hair feeling stiff. The Bumble hairspray that I had used actually did make my hair feel stiff, and the pencil, if you use too much of it, it also can make your hair feel stiff. But this one, I feel like no matter how much you use, it won't ever make your hairline or your hair feel stiff, so that's a benefit as well. Your hair still feels flowy, fresh, however it felt before you applied the product. Now for the cons. This product is so expensive. Of course, I will leave the product link down below as well as on the screen as far as how much is in this and how much it actually is, but this product retails for $34.50, which is an insane amount of money. I am going to do a test where I'm going to use regular eyeshadow, and I'm going to do the exact thing I did with this with regular eyeshadow, and we're gonna test it out. And if you can do it with regular eyeshadow, I don't know why you would need to spend $34.50, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's a special formula in here that keeps it from leaving your hair until you shampoo. The application was fairly easy. However, I don't like how much pigment came off of the shorter brush, and I wish it was easier to blend throughout the hair. I also am not a fan of the fact that it's not transfer proof and that every time I touched my hair, I had it on my fingers, as I showed you earlier. Do I think you need to purchase this item? Honestly, I'm going to test out the eyeshadow trick first, and if I feel that the eyeshadow trick does better, then I'm going to steer clear of telling you that you should run out and purchase this. So with that, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell next door so you're notified when that video does drop. Please be sure to follow me on my other social medias. I will leave that info on the screen as well as down the description box below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't. Please be honest. I respect honesty. Leave me a comment down below if you tried this, or if you will try this, or if you have a product that supposedly covers up thinning hair or thinning hairlines, and let me know what you want me to try on this channel, and I will definitely do that for you. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, for watching any of my videos, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.